La Rambla, often referred to as Las Ramblas, is a vibrant and bustling street located in the heart of Barcelona, Spain. This iconic boulevard stretches for approximately 1.2 kilometers, connecting the bustling Plaça de Catalunya to the picturesque waterfront of Port Vell. La Rambla is renowned for its lively atmosphere, diverse attractions, and rich history, making it one of the most famous and visited streets in Europe. In this article, we will delve into the captivating story of La Rambla, uncover its unique characteristics, and explore the various delights it offers to locals and tourists alike. Historical significance. La Rambla's history can be traced back to the late 18th century, when the city walls surrounding Barcelona were demolished, opening up space for expansion. The area was transformed into a promenade known as Las Ramblas, derived from the Arabic word ramla meaning sandy ground. Over the years, La Rambla became the center of social and commercial activity in Barcelona, witnessing numerous historical events and transformations. Architectural marvels. Walking along La Rambla, one encounters a fascinating blend of architectural styles that reflect the city's rich heritage. The street itself is flanked by grand buildings, enchanting squares, and elegant facades. Notable landmarks along La Rambla include the iconic Liceo Theatre, the renowned opera house that has hosted many world-class performances, and the historic Palau de la Virreina, an 18th-century palace that now houses cultural exhibitions. Another must-visit site is the beautiful Boqueria Market, an architectural gem showcasing colorful stalls offering fresh produce, local delicacies, and an authentic glimpse into Catalan gastronomy. Flourishing street life. La Rambla's vibrant atmosphere is a testament to its vibrant street life. As you stroll down the boulevard, you will encounter a myriad of street performers ranging from living statues and musicians to mimes and magicians. The lively energy of La Rambla creates a captivating ambiance, drawing locals and tourists alike. Cafes, bars, and restaurants line the street, offering a plethora of options to indulge in authentic Catalan cuisine or enjoy a refreshing beverage while people watching. Additionally, La Rambla hosts a diverse range of shops, boutiques, and souvenir stores, perfect for picking up unique mementos or experiencing Barcelona's renowned fashion scene. Points of interest? Apart from its architectural charm and vibrant ambience, La Rambla is home to several notable points of interest. One such site is the Joan Miró mosaic, a colorful piece of public art paying homage to the renowned Catalan artist. This mosaic adds an artistic touch to the boulevard, inviting visitors to pause and appreciate its beauty. Near the waterfront end La Rambla, you will find the Christopher Columbus Monument, an impressive statue honoring the explorer's first voyage to the Americas. The monument provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city and serves as a gateway to Barcelona's maritime district. Cultural celebrations. La Rambla also serves as a focal point for numerous cultural celebrations and events throughout the year. One of the most famous festivals is La Mires, Barcelona's largest street party held annually in September. During this lively event, La Rambla transforms into a vibrant stage for street performances, music concerts, and traditional Catalan dances, immersing visitors in the local culture. Furthermore, the street hosts various parades and processes, including the famous Three Kings Parade during the festive season. La Rambla stands as a testament to Barcelona's rich history, cultural diversity, and vibrant spirit. Its allure lies in its unique blend of architectural wonders, bustling street life, and an array of attractions that captivate locals and tourists alike. Whether you are seeking a leisurely stroll indulging in delicious cuisine, exploring historical landmarks, or immersing yourself in the lively atmosphere, La Rambla offers an unforgettable experience. As you wander down this iconic boulevard, you will be enchanted by the energy, charm, and cultural vibrancy that have made La Rambla a symbol of Barcelona's identity.